Oh, you're here.
A few moments later.
Ow. Sorry that I had you waiting, but I wasn't expecting company at the moment. I thought y'all come in a little bit later, but now that you're here, let's talk about it. Now, most people on here and Launchcart is not complaining, but have a concern about Launchcart not having a blog site built in the platform so they can do SEO. And I want to bring out something that based
on the incredible true story
that y'all might want to see if you do want to take the initiative and start now, not tomorrow, not depending on when you hear this, not next week, not the following weeks, not next month, but now. If you start now, within 6 months, you probably have some traction and you probably will have what you're looking for. And let's talk about it. But until then,
for more awesome content, like and subscribe now.
Well, this ain't YouTube, so don't worry about that. Let's get the show started. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I am Luscious Lucius Lucius Lion, and I want to let you know that
certified badass.
And thank you. And I am from LL Studio 2069 LLC, and this is Studio 69, the show. And I want to bring it up to you that let y'all all know that I'm not an SEO specialist. Far from it. I'm more like a photographer, artist that stumbled into SEO. And when I mean stumble, I stumbled on a lot because I was so back then focused on being a specialist in photography and videography that everything else was just a blur. And when I mean a blur, it's like, and thank goodness a couple of events that happened in the past that led me to where I'm at now. And if you don't believe me, I'm gonna let you see, and then I'm gonna show you the facts of what I've been doing so you can use this and use it for your e-store and use it for your marketing of organic marketing with SEO. So let me show you my past so you understand where I'm coming from, and we'll be back on the other side. Hold on. Now that I show you that I'm not a SEO specialist, I do have skills in SEO because of my past. Let me get off screen so we could focus on what I'm talking about here. Okay. The tool I'm using is SEO Crawl, and the first site you will see with a one click, that is the blog site for a company. And as you can see, the impressions and the MOM and YOY stand for it. MOM stand for month over month. Basically, each month, how are you progressing? If you are progressing or you declining, declining being red And as you can see, progressing is green. And the reason I chose this particular site is because I figured this would be, compared to some of the tools I'm using, this is the most easiest and I think friendly for beginners in the SEO field or want to get into the field. So I figured that would be a special tool for those who want to keep track and of the numbers, keep track of the data, and go from there. So the first one you have is the blog. Then the second site, and the reason I have it close up so you could get an idea of how it looks, so you, depending on what devices, you have at least an idea. If you're on your mobile, you could get a clear idea how it look like, and vice versa, desktop, wherever. So this is like a close zoom in. The next couple of screenshots would be further out, but the second site would be the company site, and the third site is the launch card site, my eStore site, and that would just been put in activation in December. So it's since December, and building out the outlet, backlinks and internal links, also promoting the different social media sites and having cross promotion. As you can see, it's been helping with the SEO. And let's move to the next. That was in May, between May the 6th and May the 12th of this year. So let's jump, and I'm going to show you. It's not going to be week for week. It'll be one positive week and one negative week, so you can see. And then I'm going to give you a general idea of how the whole month of May look like. Here we go. We'll switch to the next one. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Man, my throat is dry. Give me a second. The second, as you can see, this is May the 20th to May the 26th. As you can see, as a further review, so you can actually see where, as I said, the blog site, first one, impressions 25 with a +4, with a 20 plus 21.5% month-over-month impressions, which is good. As you see, the company site took a hit, haven't really performed, but year over year, that's a lot better, compared to the following year. And then as you can see, the eStore site, it's basically no change. And like I said, the eStore site was done of December. It was opened up in December of 23, on December the 1st. Basically, that December the 1st weekend, that's when the site almost started to become live. The blog site, this is a year old, but I think I didn't put the Google Analytics and I escaped my mind, the other Google Console, I think it is. I think I didn't do that within the year when it made. So this is a year. This blog site been done. It celebrated its first year in May the 5th of that last month. So it's a year old, and I think the eStore should be almost as half a year right now, and the company site been out there for a while. Okay, and let's switch and show you what it looked like for the whole total month of May. So that's what I'm showing you, people. You really don't need, if you wait, you just won't be hurting yourself. But here we go. I hope that went through. It was a previous commercial. I forgot I added. It's late here, ladies and gentlemen. Articles dealing with writing on the sites. Also have banner ads connected to the blog site that promote the blog site, which each article will have a banner ad or some type of ad dealing with tips or animation or a banner ad animation, or just a blog post dealing with the site. And as you can see, all this in green, and this is without a blog post or blog site within Launchcart. And if you continue to wait, you'll continue putting a handicap or clamping your legs to a stone, a 300-pound stone, not going nowhere, while your competition find ways to outdo you. So this is just basically letting you know you don't have to wait for Launchcart. If there a will, there's a way. So I hope this motivates some of y'all, because I know when I post it in some of your comments, some people took kindness to my statement or what they can do, and I think the rest part went on deaf ears. So I figured if I do a video showing you exactly what you can do, everything is possible. And I hope that you all agree with me, and so let it be known. Thank you. So before we end this video, I want to make it short. I want to tell you and leave you with this. Drum roll, please. I am, and the company is also a Launchcart certified partner. If you need help with your platform or any information, you can reach out to me, but you don't. This is just a friendly let you know that we are certified partners with Launchcart. And the reason to let you know, you do not have to wait. If you wait, you basically adding rocks to your shoes, and you just stand in place and you're not taking action, and you're not getting your potential future customers to know, and trust you. So get out there, find a way, and trust me, I just showed you, you do not need to wait on Launchcart. You could do it yourself. And then when the time come, if that day do come, you will be ahead of the game, ahead of everyone else, and dominating the market and your potential success and freedom by putting yourself in a way to market yourself organically. And do I have anything else? I wish y'all all the best. I'm just on Ann it like I'm on Ann it. And I hope y'all enjoy. Until then, I see you on the flip side. And I wish y'all all the best. Peace.